Remember I drew Ursaluna back last year? After Legends Arceus was released? I got good news for you. The new Pokemon expansion pass has been released. And guess what? When I first found out about the new expansion pass, they gave Ursaluna a new transformation. And I don't understand why one of his eyes are black. Here's his other eye. Here's his ear. Shoot. I feel like half of him has... Oh man. Just gotta grab my special eraser. Here's his whiskers. Now we just draw this mark here on his back. Here's his hand. And I'm back. Anyhow, let's get started. I've already drawn this. The name of Ursaluna's new form is Bloodmoon Ursaluna. Yeah, the name of this new form is Bloodmoon Ursaluna. Bloodmoon Ursaluna is a new Pokemon that form for Ursaluna back when Legends Arceus was released. Ever since Scarlet and Violet was released, the creators thought it would be a good idea to add one Pokemon that was located in the game, and they decided to give it a new transformation in the new Scarlet and Violet video game. If you thought getting 1,000 Pokemon in the Pokédex was amazing, let's see if you see what happens when you add a new legendary Pokemon from the Hisui region and give it a new transformation. What can I say? Grizzly bears are really popular. I'm glad that I drew this guy. Cabo, calm down. Now then. After I'm done with this, if you want to check out Ursaluna's original form, you guys are free to check it out if you please. There we are. According to the Pokédex file, Ursaluna, much like in the original game, codenamed as the Pelt Pokemon, it crossed the sea and drifted ashore in a whole new land. Surviving in this place led it to take on a unique appearance and gain special powers. Much like Lycanroc after it gained the power of the Green Flash, Ursaluna gained the power of the Blood Moon, and it received a new transformation and special powers as well. Kind of amazing if you ask me. This may take a minute. I'm just gonna see what the new Pokédex has been updated to. Whoa. There we are. There's his arm. There we are. Oh, yeah. Sorry, let me just fix the hand. There we go. That is Ursaluna in his new form. I gotta say, seeing Ursaluna's new transformation is my first time drawing it. I don't know why the arm is a lot smaller than it usually is. There. Now it's ready. There he is. That's how you draw Ursaluna's new form. That's how you draw Bloodmoon Ursaluna. Man, drawing new Pokemon really gets you amped. Anyway, if you want to see Ursaluna's original form, you guys are free to check it out in the playlist. If you like my new shorts that gets me thousands of subscribers, you guys can check that out. And if you want to look at my recent show biz, you guys can see that as well. Anyway, that's how you draw him. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe. Post a comment below on what new Pokemon or new character you want me to draw next. I'm always here, and my playlist is never going to stop evolving. Anyway, better sign out for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.